Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to extend or mirror your laptop or PC screen with iPad, iPhone or any iOS device as well as for Android devices. So without wasting much time, let's get start the video. To extend my display, I was tried many apps like Dude Display, X Display, etc. But most of them are paid app and their performance are not so good and also required wire connection which is quite annoying. So after a lots of research, finally I found X Display app which can extend my laptop screen not only with iPhone, iPad but also any iOS as well as Android devices or with both at a time in a very smooth manner. To install this app, you have to visit spacetex.com. Links are available in the description below. Here I am installing for Windows system. You can also install for Mac OS. And also install SpaceText client for iPad which is available on App Store. I already installed this app on my iPad 6th generation. For Android devices, you can download it from Play Store. I already installed this app on my Samsung S9 Plus. And before to connect, you have to make sure that all your devices should be connected with same Wi-Fi network. After installation this app on your laptop, you have to search for SpaceText and open this app. After that, it will generate one IP address and you have to connect your iPad or any Android devices with same IP address. Now open SpaceText app on your iPad and try to connect with same IP address. With this, you can mirror your laptop screen with your iPad. But if you want to extend your laptop screen on your iPad, then you have to go laptop display setting by right clicking at your desktop. After that, you have to scroll down for multiple display setting and here you have to choose extend this display option. Similarly, you can connect your Android device. So open SpaceText app on your Android device and select same IP address. You can also change the resolution of connected display. And switch from screen 1 to 2 or to screen 3. It will also help to perform some professional work where in one screen you can burn some programming and second screen you can see the result or you can read some Word or PDF files. By this app you can also connect your laptop with Android TV. Okay friends, that's enough for today. But before leave, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more such kind of content.